This 2025 Venture RV Sonic SN231 VRL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features a Blake interior, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, awning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, TV antenna, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV Sonic SN231 VRL is 4,770 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.